Today we have the 2020 Dacia Duster. This vehicle was done just under 13,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, driving eco, media and navigation, smartphone integration and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC.